Do you have back or neck pain from working or studying all day? Ever think your posture is the reason for this? It is. Bad posture while sitting can cause numerous issues like back pain, neck pain, and even issues with the digestive system. I've got a quick and easy method to improve your sitting posture and look and feel good right away. But first, please spend a few seconds to like this video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. We appreciate your support. I found that the secrets to good posture lie in two major components. It is our ability for our pelvis and trunk to move relative to one another. Those of us who live with a not so good posture do some weird things in our chairs. For instance, you have the forward head, normal kind of shoulder where a lot of people are leaning forward or texting. We've got this leaning forward, slumped shoulder. And then a lot of times people are overcorrecting head, neck, and then they puff out that chest. Some people even sit on their foot or one leg crossed or tucked under. So this foot sitting, bad idea. And then finally, the best one is this neutral sitting where everything's efficient. So we're gonna get to that. As you can see, gravity doesn't discriminate. And if you can continue in this poor way, you're gonna be in big trouble. So let's correct it. I call this the 4-dot hang 10 using a little shaka sign method. Before we get to our own position, let's fix the chair first. What we want to do is adjust the height, and most importantly thing to gauge is to find our trunk and hip at about 100 degrees, 110 degrees. Just like in standing, we are aligning 4 major landmarks. We're using this shaka side, we're gonna stick that in our belly button. And we're gonna use that thumb to touch the base of the sternum. Like the Connect 4 game, we're trying to align our throat, our sternum, our belly button, our pubic bone. Next, we're gonna adjust the shoulders. You wanna shrug your shoulder up, you wanna turn your wrists outwards, and then you wanna slide those shoulder blades down so it rests on top of that rib cage. Next, we wanna talk about our feet. Feet always touch the floor, both feet. You want to slight lean over that chair, over your pelvis, about 5 degrees, which puts you over your midfoot, where it allows all 5 toes to press into the ground. That engages your core. If you find that these steps are too hard to remember, try using a stagger stance with one leg in front, one leg hooked to the back, sitting at the edge or side of the chair. This position always helps you naturally line your posture. We also recommend kneeling chair, which also puts you in that great alignment right away. Now in the event you're finding yourself in a step stool or sitting on a bar stool, you can still use these 4 dots to align yourself and be in the right posture to save your back and spine. Please give this strategy a try and see if it helps. Let us know what you think and leave us some feedback in the comments box below. Once again, please like and subscribe, and we appreciate the support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.